thing is about that I have not eaten my breakfast, then you're like, oh, will it get over at 11:30? Will I get late for my breakfast? So do you notice what I'm saying? So this combination of things of the past, the impressions of the past, and the planning of the future, what it does, what is happening right now, it doesn't allow you to be there, isn't it? And sometimes it is really not in our control, because you are sitting and suddenly the mind goes, and you are later, after 5 minutes, you realize, oh, what am I thinking? I have to listen to this session on productivity. But what am I thinking about my breakfast, my lunch, my dinner? And this happens in our daily day-to-day life, yes or no? And the one thing which it affects is what? This thing. When you're think too much about the past and the future, your smile slowly goes away. You're like, what will happen to me? Kya hoga mera? नहीं मेरा क्या हो चुका है? Do you agree what I'm saying? Yeah. So what will we do is, let's do a small quick activity. Are you all ready to do a small activity? Yes. Are you all? Will you participate, all of you? So what we need to do is, I will keep a timer. I will note a time. I will put a stopwatch. The stopwatch I'll put for is 30 seconds. In 30 seconds, I will see all the people who are videos are on, even the people who are videos are off. You can give me the timer. I will put the timer on for 30 seconds and I want to see how many of you can snap the maximum. आपको 30 seconds में maximum चुटकी बजानी है. Okay? You can even count with both the fingers because then it will double. एक से करोगे तो एक टाइम होगा, दो से करोगे तो डबल हो जाएगा. Okay? Are you all ready? Ready? So the time starts now. Let's see who snaps the maximum. Time starts now. 12 seconds हुए अभी. Very good. Don't stop. Keep doing, keep doing. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Last 10 seconds less. Don't give up. And stop. Fantastic. Brilliant. Thank you so much. Okay. Can you write down how many times did you snap? आपका क्या काउंट आया स्नैप करने का? कितनी बारी आप? ओ 140. वाह विलास. 120. क्या बात है. 118, 87, 92. Very good. 144. Yogesh ji. Wow, very nice. You like in champion in snapping. Okay. Now let us observe 160. Surya Narayan ji has suddenly given an amazing number. Okay, 160. Let's say. Okay. Now, do you notice that while you are snapping, that while you're all snapping, where was your mind? Was it in the past? Was it in the future? Or was it right here with me? On the screen with me? Isn't it? Yes or no? It was like, let's count, man. Let's just count. Forget about everything else. Forget about the assignments. Forget about the lecture. Just count on the snaps. Yes, clear? Thank you. Now, also, did you notice that while you were snapping, it was a very little bit activity where you needed a lot of focus. But did you realize that you all got an effortless automatic smile on your face? चेहरे पे अपने आप मुस्कान बन गया. आप हाँ ठीक है. गिनते रहो, गिनते रहो, गिनते रहो, गिनते रहो. Do you agree? Yes or no? I could not see some of your smiling because your smile is hidden under the mask, but I assume you will be smiling under the mask. मुस्कुराने की वजह है सर जी. है ना? Clear? Now, this is such an interesting thing to observe from this small activity. What we can take out. See, what? That you are focused also, counting. At the same time, you could also smile. The reason for both the things to happen effortlessly, that the awareness was there, that focus was there, at the same time you will be more relaxed and smiling, was the reason the mind effortlessly, what happened? It came to this present. Yes or no? The mind was not going here and there. It was not thinking of the breakfast, lunch, assignments, next salary, jobs, home, wife, breakfast, nothing. It was just here. He's like, focus on the snap. Now, Can we do this every day? Like you have a lecture to teach, can you tell all the students, chalo, let's snap? Or you have a meeting with the director, you have to present your paper, and your mind is all over the place. You cannot tell the director, sir, can you just give me 30 seconds? I will snap and then I'll come back and talk to you. No, he will say, what is wrong with you? Yes. Now, so let's do one more activity. So we have to understand that this mind, which we want to really channelize, this take charge over, it cannot be handled on the level of the mind. What do I mean by this? So we'll do one more small activity. What will we do? I will give you 30 seconds time, not 30 seconds, 10 seconds of time. We all have to keep our eyes closed. But in this 10 seconds, for the next 10 seconds, you don't have to think of a green monkey. Are you all ready? So let's close our eyes. Aankhein band kar lete hain. Let's all close our eyes. And for next 10 seconds, you don't have to think of a green monkey. Definitely don't think of a green monkey with a pink cap. And definitely don't think of a green monkey with a pink cap who's climbing the tree from one tree to another tree. Definitely don't think of a green monkey with a pink cap climbing the trees with two more small monkeys hanging on to that monkey. And you can gently open your eyes. So what were you thinking about? Yeah, some monkeys, maybe green, maybe pink. Ears are working. Yeah. Now, do you notice what I'm saying? Now, on the level of the mind, whatever you will say, you so many times tell, I don't have to think about this person. I don't have to be angry. But what is the mind listening? I will do this only. Because the moment you are saying, I don't have to think about this person, what is the mind doing? It is thinking about that person only. Yes or no? Am I making some sense? Yeah. So we have to find a way, because so many times when you say, okay, you tell somebody don't to be angry and the other person becomes angry, do you notice it kind of incites that little anger? You're like, I am telling you not to be angry and you only are becoming angry with me. And then we lose that our patience. If you'll notice this anger, I'll come to that little part. So what do we do? So how do we really address the mind and take charge of the mind? Now, this is where we have to use one tool which we all have, which we are using every moment, but we neglect it. Can you tell me what is that tool? What is that thing? Okay, do you all agree that our body is always in the present? Yes or no? Do you agree? Your body is in the present? Yes, no? Okay. Do you agree that the mind keeps traveling between past, present, and future? We want it to be more in the present? Yes or no? So what do we have to do? We have to find a connection between the body and the mind. The body is in the present, the mind is in the past and the future, and sometimes the present. So if we can find a connection which is always with us in the present, then it will be easy for us to bring our mind also to the present. So any guesses? Can you tell me what is that tool which we all have, which we, beautiful, fantastic. Darshan KG, thank you so much. It is the breath. Yes or no? Do you all breathe? Please say yes on this. Don't think too much. Yeah. Yes. Now we all breathe. Now, when do we breathe? We breathe in this moment. We don't breathe in the past. We don't breathe in the future. And we have never said like this that, I have done so much of breathing for last 25 years. I'll take a break for some time. कभी बोला ऐसा? इतने साल हो गए सांस लेते लेते थक गए, हम सांस लेते थे, अब थोड़ा एक दो दिन थोड़ा रेस्ट करते हैं सांस के बगैर. ऐसा हो सकता है? No, not possible. Yes. So what happens with the breath? Now this is somewhere we need to understand that what is the role of the breath in our normal life. See, the first action of your life, the first thing which you did when you were born was what? You took a breath in. Yes or no? After that, you started crying. But the first thing was what? Breath in. And then you started crying. What will be the last act of your life? A breath out. Yes or no? After that, we'll all say bye bye to everybody. Now, what is this journey between the first breath in to the last breath out is called as life. Yes or no? It's just this journey from the first breath in and the last breath out. Now, this is in between this comes a lot of challenges. From the first breath in, no problem. And even taking last, no problem. But in between, there are a lot of challenges. Yes. Now, what are these challenges? Yeah. And how do we address these challenges? So, first thing, so as I was talking about anger, how many of you have ever become angry in life? आप में से कितने लोग कभी ना कभी गुस्सा हुए? I'll assume other people behind the screen also will be raising their hands. Yes, no? We have become angry sometime in our life? Yes, no? Acha. Have you also seen that we tell our kids also not to get angry, not to get angry? Have you seen this? You should not get angry. Whether it's students in the college, whether it's our own kids. Yes, no? But do you notice this, that while we are when you are telling them not to be angry, sometimes we only become angry. गुस्सा मत करा कर दूं, और वो बच्चे बोलते हैं अरे मम्मी हेलो, आप खुद तो गुस्सा और मुझे बोल रहे गुस्सा ना करने के लिए. Do you see what I'm saying? We are preaching about not to get angry, but somehow we ourselves get angry. Now, this is where we have to again address that the emotions we undergo in our life, they have a very interesting rhythmic pattern with our breath. See, for example, when you are angry, can you tell me what happens to your breathing pattern? Can you write down in the chat box? What happens to the breathing pattern? How does the breath flow? Increases, becomes faster, quickly, fantastic, increases. So what happens? The breath becomes faster and short. Yes or no? Have you know, automatically and it is true for everybody, whether you're an Indian, whether you're a Chinese, whether you're an American. When you will get angry, the breath will become short and fast. Yes? Okay. Now, what happens to the breath when you are a little sad, let's say? Hum dukhi hain thode. Do you notice the breath again changes? Can you tell me the pattern then? What happens to the pattern of the breath when you are a little sad? Very good. It becomes very slow. Yes or no? ऐसे लगता है it's not, चल ही नहीं रही. Clear? Thank you. Clear? Yes or no? Now, and if you'll see when you're very happy, how does the breath flow? It is lighter breaths. Yes or no? Very light breaths. Isn't it? Now, just observe this very interesting pattern. We're all engineers, mostly from the science background. So there is a corresponding rhythm happening, right? The emotion is happening, the breath is changing. Yes or no? Clear? How about you take charge of the breath aspect, and if you can change this, automatically this will change. Making sense? So suppose, let's say you get angry, and if you are aware, अगर आपको आज गुस्सा आता है, people tell no that you should take long breaths. But if you really take long breaths, long deep breaths during anger, what will happen? You will change the pattern of the anger. You will break that pattern. Yes. Then what happened? Suddenly you will see, oh, the anger is going little down, and you say, what is happening? Because you have changed the rhythmic pattern of the breath. Are you understanding? Am I making some sense? Yes, no? If you will also observe that in our country, there are a lot of traditional dances. Bharatnatyam, Kuchipudi, Kathakali, Kathak. Yes or no? Very traditional dance forms, folk dance forms. But the way these dance forms are, they are very expressive in nature. Yes or no? They will show anger, they will show regret, they will show jealousy, they will show greed. Yes? Now, are they really going through that? Are they really getting angry? No, otherwise they cannot dance. So, what in the ancient days, they used to be taught how to play with, how to learn to breathe so that they can portray those emotions very clearly. If anybody has learned some theater, also in theater to show the emotions, you are taught how to learn the breath, how to play with the breath. Now, the unfortunate part is, before I started the topic of breathing, except one person, how many of us were really attentive on our breathing? Or when was the last time we paid attention that we are breathing? When was the last time? Everybody's thinking, yeah, that's a good question. Yeah. When are we when are we aware of the breathing? Either when we have to really climb a tall building up and the lift is not working, or you are coming back home at night and there is a dog running behind your life, or you are not, or you're doing some workout aerobics, then you realize breathing, or you have an asthma, yeah, or you have a cold and cough, then you realize सांस नहीं आ रही. But otherwise, totally, absolutely given no attention on. Yes. Now, what is this? What is the way to, one more thing to address breath? See, there is a very interesting research. They say when, as a human being, we eat around 2 to 4 kgs of food in a day, depending on our appetite. Yeah. Clear? It is said we drink around 3 to 5 liters of water in a day. Clear? Agreed? But do you know how much amount of breath do we breathe in a single day? Can you make a guess? How many liters of breath goes in our system in a single day? 10,000 liters. Okay, out of the three, food, water, and breath, which one is neglected the most? India, for sure, food cannot be neglected because we live in India. Food is number one priority. Yes. So, food, water, and then comes the breath. Now, if I'll ask you, can you survive one day without food? One day possible without your food? One day without water? One day without breath? No. Isn't it? But out of the three without which we cannot sustain, we put it on the third list, third number. Isn't it? Yeah, like, yeah, 11,000 approximately. 10,000 to 11,000, 12,000. Yeah. So this, if we address, if we kind of take attention and we address the breath, then what happens is, number one, we can expand our lungs more. If we learn some breathing techniques, number one, the lung capacity increases. So more oxygen enters our system. And then what? It helps us to also settle the mind down. So like most of us, like some of we'll be teaching the programming to our students, right? I will say the code for your mind is your breath. So if we don't address the breath, forget about the mind to be coded. It will go all over the place. Yes. So are we clear till now? So mind, past, future, we want it to be the present, and to bring it to the present and to make it take more charge over it. What is the tool we have to use? Is called as breath. Clear everybody till now? Yes, no? Now, once we know, address our breath, then what happens? We can really work on the level of the mind. So, one of the reasons also for us to be a little bit less productive is the enormous amount of stress which enters our life. Yes or no? Do you agree? Now, some situations are there and some are situations which you have no control on. Like, for example, COVID. Yes or no? Absolutely nobody had no control, but it came. Yes or no? Now, stress, one of the definitions of stress is the constant vacillation of mind between past and future. This brings a lot of stress. What will happen to me? What has happened to me? When you think too much about the past and the future, it brings free of cost stress. The other definition of stress is what? It is said, well, the things, it is also put it like this, that I have to do a lot of things to complete, but less time, less energy. Do you agree? करना बहुत कुछ है मगर टाइम कम है और एनर्जी कम है. See, for example, I'll ask you, like you are given some, you have to prepare some assignments, some paper. Yes. Now, suppose you have to give a paper to your students, let's say day after tomorrow, you have to prepare a paper. And suppose something doesn't go okay. There is something you got busy. Can you tell the office that, I don't have time. Can I get 2 more days extra to make the paper? Possible? No, no way is possible because exams are supposed to start same day. You cannot say I don't have time. So the time factor is constant. Yes or no? Do you agree? What is variable is the energy aspect. See, how many of us have seen this that we start our day morning very fresh, very enthusiastic, full of energy. But by the time we complete our day, we are go to office, we work, we come back home, traffic, people, situations. And when we come back home, we are little tired, the energy has gone less. Yes or no? Has it happened to you? Sometime? Yes. So this drop in energy also, what it does, it increases stress. Because the demand is same, time is also same, but the energy level drops. Now, how do we enhance energy? This is something very, 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 very important. One of the first things which gives us energy is food. Food gives us energy, yes or no? Do you agree? खाने से शक्ति मिलती है. Yes. Now, it is said right amount of food gives us energy. What do you mean by right amount of food? It is said this much. This is the right amount of food we should be eating in a single meal. अंजलि भर के. ये अंजलि इतनी बड़ी नहीं है. ये अंजलि इतनी है. Clear? Okay. Now, in that, have you also noticed that sometimes when you especially during the lunchtime, if you've eaten a little bit extra, like 1 glass of lassi you have taken extra, do you see after that what happens? You automatically go in the sleep mode. It is so tough to keep your eyes open. Yes or no? So more food doesn't give us energy. It brings lethargy. And less food also doesn't give us energy. Sometimes you have not eaten morning, skipped your lunch, and again you feel drained. So it is said right amount of food taken at the right time gives us energy. Preferably it said fresh food is a very good way of giving us energy because it has highest energy. The second form which gives us energy is called as sleep. Sleep gives us energy, yes or no? Do you agree? But again, in moderation. It is said 6 to 8 hours of sleep at night. The younger generation, that night time becomes early morning and then they sleep. But preferably it is supposed to be at night. Yes. Again, have you noticed some days when you are really tired and you say, I will sleep little extra. And when you get up 2-3 hours extra, you are a little lethargic. You're a little lazy. And sometimes when you have, because you have some important work to do and you have not slept for 1 or 2 days, you feel very, very low on energy. Yes or no? So again, 6 to 8 hours of sleep every day gives us energy. Now, these two sources, the food and the sleep, are the sources which we have been utilizing to get energy from since childhood. Yes or no? We eat food, we sleep. We eat food, we sleep. But there are two other sources of energy which we can derive. One is breath, which we have spoken just now, and much, much more powerful than that is a calm, happy, meditative mind. So what is happening? Just understand, your car has, let's say, 4 cylinders to push the energy in, to push the fuel in. But what are you doing? You're only using 2. Just food and sleep, food and sleep. Because we are not somewhere not using the breath, we are not using the calm, meditative mind. So if we activate the other 2 sources of energy, what happens is our number one thing which increases is productivity. Because what have you done? You have got extra energy into yourself. So all your colleagues who are not using the 2 sources, they will suddenly tell you, "Arey, you are so energetic, man. You're so productive. What have you done?" You can show them these 2 fingers: food, breath, and mind. Clear? Do you understand what I'm saying? Because again, understand, the loss in energy will make your mind little low, and because of that low mindset, you will not feel good, and the effectiveness in the work will drop down. Yes or no? Do you agree what I'm saying? So what we'll do next is we will do some breathing and some bit of meditation, and then we'll again talk after some time, because I have spoken a lot till now. So let's give some rest to the mind and see how does it really work. And then again, we'll take some more aspects of this. Are you all ready? Ready to do a bit of meditation and a little bit of breathing? Ready hai sab log? Okay. So first thing, we will learn a small breathing exercise. It is called as Bhastrika Pranayam. What is it called? Bhastrika. How it is to be done is you need to bring your fists close to your shoulders, as close in front of the shoulders. The elbows are gently touching your sides of the body, elbows gently touching the sides of the body. Head is straight, not like this, not like this, head is straight. And we need to learn this movement. So when I'll say up, you can take your hands up, straighten your elbows also, straighten, 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 very good. And open your palms as you go up. So I'll show, as you go up, open your palms up. And as you come down, close and bring them down. Is this movement clear? Up, open palms, down, close fists. Up, open palms, down, close fists. Fantastic. Thank you so much. Now, what will we do? We will add breath to this. सांस को जोड़ेंगे. क्या करेंगे? As we go up, we will breathe in. And as we come down, we'll breathe out. Simple. Now we'll add little bit of force to this. थोड़ा सा force करेंगे. थोड़ा सा force. People who have high BP and any heart issue can do it mildly. Rest can do it with little force. Got it? This is an instant energizer, this exercise. Instant. Because so many times when we are little, we want that energy. What do? We take a cup of coffee, we drink 2-3 cups of tea, but this can really give you that energy. Clear? Now, so this has to be done with eyes closed. So what will we do? We will do 15 repetitions of 3 rounds. 15, 15, relax, 15, relax, 15, relax. Is that okay with everybody? After that, I will guide you into a short meditation. There are 2 rules of meditation. Rule number one for meditation is eyes have to be closed. Aankhein band rakhni hai. Okay. You should not check ki who are the people who are meditating with your eyes closed in between. So keep your eyes closed. Yeah. Forget about what people are doing. And number 2, you don't have to like fight with any of the instructions I give. So you have to do nothing basically. So let's say I'll tell you, think of an apple. If you can think of an apple, very good. But if you cannot think of an apple, it is also very good. Okay. So don't say, oh, he has told me to think about the apple, but I can think of the orange. Oh, don't worry. If you think of the apple, orange, think of the orange. Don't worry. Clear? So there is no concentration as such. Effortlessly listen to my instructions. Are you all ready? Are you all ready? Can you all write it in the chat box so I'll understand that the people who are not, videos are not on, they are also listening to me and they'll also meditate with me. Can I get some yes from the people who are hiding their beautiful faces? Very good. Can I see some more yes? Some more yes. Very good. पता तो चले आप सब लोग कर भी रहे हो कि मेरे को लग रहा है मैं ऐसा हवा में ही ध्यान करा रहा हूँ. Okay, thank you so much. I'm glad. Okay. So let's take positions. Eyes closed. आंखें बंद कर लेते हैं. Let's all close our eyes. Eyes closed. And close loose fists in front of our shoulders. बंद ढीली मुट्ठियां कंधों के सामने. Observe your breath. सांस के प्रति सजग हो जाएं. Just observe your breath. Feel your breath. And let's, with a little force, let's do the Bhastrika Pranayam. When I'll say breathe in, the hands go up. And when I'll say breathe out, the hands come down. Let's do it together. Breathe in, hands up and out. Breathe in and out. Very good. Breathe in, out. 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 Breathe in, 9. Breathe in, 10. Breathe in, 11. Breathe in, 12. Breathe in, 13. Breathe in, 14. And relax. Keep your eyes closed. Palms on your thighs facing towards the ceiling. And with your eyes closed, just observe the flow of energy inside your body. Feel the flow of sensations, the energy inside your body. Let us get ready for the second round with eyes closed, आंखें बंद रखते हुए दूसरे राउंड के लिए तैयार हो जाएं. Close loose fists in front of our shoulders. Normal breath in and let go. With full force, energy and enthusiasm, पूरे जोश और उत्साह के साथ एक साथ breathe in, out, breathe in, out, breathe in, out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, 5, breathe in, 6, breathe in, 7, breathe in, 8, breathe in, 9, breathe in, 10, breathe in, 11, breathe in, 12, breathe in, 13, breathe in, 14, breathe in, and relax. Palms can be on your thighs facing towards the ceiling. हथेलियां घुटनों के ऊपर आकाश की तरफ. Feel the flow of energy and the prana. Third and final round, let's get ready. तीसरे और आखिरी चरण के लिए तैयार हो जाते हैं. Close loose fists in front of our shoulders. बंद ढीली मुट्ठियां कंधों के सामने. सर सीधा, चेहरे पे एक मुस्कान. A gentle smile on your face. Make your smile bigger. Normal breath in and let go. With full energy and enthusiasm, together, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. In 5, in 6, in 7, in 8, in 9, in 10, in 11, in 12, in 13, in 14, and relax, and relax. Now sit easily and comfortably. With your eyes closed, आराम से बैठ जाएं. If you want to give support to your back, you can easily Give rest to your back and sit easily and comfortably. Keep your eyes closed. आंखें बंद ही रखें. We'll meditate for few minutes. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. One more breath in and breathe out from your mouth. One more breath in and exhale from your mouth. Now become aware of all the sounds present in the environment. आंखें बंद रखते हुए जो भी आवाज वातावरण में हो रही है उसके प्रति सजग हो जाएं. The sound of the traffic, the sound of people talking, sound of people walking nearby, and the sound of anything which you can hear, and the sound of your breath. अपने सांस की आवाज. Become aware of every single sound and accept all the sounds around you. सारी आवाजों को स्वीकार कर लें. Be in total acceptance with the environment. वातावरण के साथ एक हो जाएं. Be in total harmony with the environment. Breathe in and breathe out. Become aware of your body with your eyes closed. Become aware of your body. Take your attention on your right foot and relax your right foot. Right knee, दाहिना घुटना. Right thigh and hip, दाहिनी जांघा. And relax your whole right leg, पूरी दाहिनी टांग को विश्राम दें. Attention on your left foot, बायां पैर. Left knee, बायां घुटना. Left thigh and hip, बाईं जांघा. And relax your whole left leg, पूरी बाईं टांग को विश्राम देते जाएं. Attention on your abdomen and your stomach, पेट पे ध्यान ले जाएं. And relax your stomach, पेट को विश्राम दें. Attention on your chest, छाती पे ध्यान ले आएं. And relax your chest. Attention on your shoulders, कंधों पर ध्यान ले आएं. And relax your shoulders, right shoulder and right arm. दाहिना कंधा, दाहिनी बाजू. लेफ्ट शोल्डर एंड लेफ्ट आर्म, बाया कंधा, बाई बाजू. Attention on your neck, गले पे ध्यान, and relax your neck. Drop your shoulders, relax your neck. Attention on your face, चेहरे पे ध्यान ले आए. Attention on your chin, lips, cheeks, ears, eyes, nose, eyebrows, forehead, and relax your whole face. पूरे चेहरे को विश्राम देते जाएं. Attention on the top of your head, सर की चोटी पे ध्यान ले जाएं. And relax your head, सर को भी विश्राम दें. Now take your attention on your whole body, पूरा ध्यान पूरे शरीर पे ले आए. And relax your whole body. पूरे शरीर को विश्राम देते जाएं. Relax your whole body. Relax more and more. पूर्ण विश्राम. Your body is a precious gift given by the creation to us. Totally accept it. प्रकृति के द्वारा दिया गया एक बहुमूल्य तोहफा हमारा शरीर है. इसे स्वीकार कर लें. Totally accept your whole body. Breathe in and let go. Be in total harmony with your body. शरीर के साथ एक हो जाएं. Take your attention on all your thoughts. अपना ध्यान अपने विचारों पे ले जाएं. गुड और बैड जैसे भी विचार आ रहे हैं उसके प्रति सजग हो जाएं. Whatever thoughts are coming, let them come. Don't resist any thoughts. कुछ भी विचारों को ना रोकें. Don't resist any thoughts. किसी भी विचारों को रोके ना. Good or bad. Totally accept all your thoughts. सारे विचारों को स्वीकार कर लें. Be in total harmony with the environment. Breathe in and let go. Let's take attention on our feelings. अपना ध्यान अपनी भावनाओं पे ले आए. Pleasant or unpleasant, whatever feelings are coming, become aware of them. सुखद भावनाएं, दुखद भावनाएं, जैसी भी भावनाएं आ रही हैं उन्हें आने दें. Don't resist any feelings. Be in total harmony with your feelings. Breathe in and let go. You are joy. You are peace. आप ही शांति हैं. आप ही आनंद हैं. You are joy. You are peace. आप ही शांति हैं. आप ही आनंद हैं. You are joy. You are peace. आप ही शांति हैं. आप ही आनंद हैं. एक गहरी सांस अंदर लें और जाने दें. अपना ध्यान अपनी भावनाओं पे ले आए. Bring our attention on our feelings and totally accept your feelings. भावनाओं को स्वीकार कर लें. Breathe in and let go. Become aware of your thoughts. अपने विचारों के प्रति सजग हो जाएं. And totally accept your thoughts. विचारों को स्वीकार कर लें. Breathe in and let go. Attention on your body. अपना ध्यान अपने शरीर पे ले आएं. And totally relax your whole body. Breathe in and let go. Bring your attention on the surroundings. वातावरण पे ध्यान ले आए. Take a deep breath in and let go. One more breath in and exhale. With a big smile on your face, चेहरे पे एक बड़ी सी मुस्कान के साथ Whenever you feel like, जब भी मन कर रहा हो, you may gently open your eyes, धीरे से आंखें खोल सकते हैं. You can slowly and gradually open your eyes. So you can share, how are you feeling? You can write in the chat box, how are you feeling? How's your mind feeling? कैसा लग रहा है आपको, बताइए. Very relaxed. Relaxed. हल्का सा और fresh. Calm and peaceful. What else? Refreshed. थोड़ा खो गए थे. Okay, anything else? Calm and relaxed. Good. Stress free. Good feeling. Happy. Good. Thank you so much. So if you let's see, we meditated, you know how much time you meditated? You meditated around 14 minutes. Total time you meditated was 14. But do you observe that just 14 minutes you kept your eyes closed, did nothing, absolutely nothing, but you still feel good? है कि नहीं? अच्छा लगा, थोड़ा relaxed महसूस हुआ. Are you also observing that your colors in your room are looking more brighter? My voice is more clear. Your mind is not very distracted. Yes. So once the mind relaxes, automatically the concentration level increases. It is said concentration is a side effect of meditation. जब हम ध्यान करते हैं तो concentration level अपने आप बढ़ जाता है. क्यों? क्योंकि मन एकदम विश्राम में आ जाता है. And once you are more focused and relaxed, then what happens? Whatever you start to work, productivity will increase. Are you understanding what I'm saying? So if you want to go on the root cause, you have to go on the deep level of the mind and bring the mind to more relaxed level. Yes. So this was meditation. So this Bastrika you can do anytime in the day and little bit light on the stomach. It will help you to get instant energy. You will really feel fresh. Even in office, your workplace, you feel a little tired, do this and you will get instant energy. Clear? Now, so this now 4 tools we have learned: food, sleep, breath, and a meditative calm mind. So if we can include these 2 in our life, what will happen is whatever we are doing will take less time. Now, other thing I was coming on the level of the mind, something also very interesting which mind kind of gets caught in is about taking decisions. Yes or no? Do you agree? You have to take decisions again and again. Yeah. You got an email that you have to attend this session, but attending, not attending is your decision. You have logging in, listening to me, not listening to me is your decision. You can just keep it on and just go. Yes. So in the similar manner, we have so many decisions which come in our life again and again. Now, what are the decisions? So while you have to take a decision, also comes along free of cost doubt. Yes or no? Should I do it? Should I not do it? If I do it, what will happen? If I'll not do it, what will happen? Now, what do we doubt more? Do we doubt the positive more or the negative more? Can you tell me? What do you doubt the more? What do you doubt more? The positive side of ours. For positive, you can show thumbs up. For negative, you can show thumbs up, down. What do you doubt more? Okay. Now I'll give you an example. Suppose somebody comes and tells you, you are such an amazing person. You are such a lovely person. What do you say? You said, really? Are you sure? What do you want? You don't believe that instantly. Yes or no? You're like, isko kya chahiye mere se? Why is he praising me? But when somebody comes and tells you, I hate you, बहुत नफरत करता हूं, do you ask him, really? Why are you telling me like that? You instantly believe it, isn't it? So it is said, positive we doubt more, negative we believe in more. What things, like for example, love is always doubted, hatred is never doubted. Yes or no? Honesty is doubted, dishonesty is never doubted. Like somebody joins up new, somebody new joins in your college, and one of your friends says, you know, he's such an honest person, I know him. You say, are you sure? I don't think so. Doesn't look like. But when somebody else joins, he say, somebody says he's very dishonest, you know what do you say? लग ही रहा है, चेहरे पे लिखा हुआ है इसके, तो झलक ही रही है इससे तो बेईमानी. Do you understand what I'm saying? So the mind, now if you will go back in the time of childhood, when we were kids, or when you will see kids also, they do the opposite. Yes or no? They doubt the negative and they believe in the positive. When you tell your kids, don't do this, don't go there, don't eat it, don't do this, what do they say? Why? I will do this. And when you tell them, you know, this person is such a nice person, they say, how can I be friends with them? Yeah. So because of the way we have been brought up and the stress, what happens? The decision making also kind of takes a toll. So when we meditate, the doubts kind of vanish and you doubt the right things, and the decision making becomes faster. Because one of the things which stops you from working is also karu nahi karu haan, and by the time is gone. This, and what does it also does? It creates procrastination. हाँ करेंगे नहीं करेंगे, हाँ करेंगे नहीं करने में टाइम निकल जाता है. Yes. So if also with meditation, the ability to doubt and to take right decisions increase. So they did a research in Harvard University and Yale. So this is what we are doing, is a small, basically an intro about the art of living and how it can help in. But we have a program which is around 3 days, 4 days long for colleges, especially for the college. In colleges, it's called as the Yes Plus Youth Empowerment and Skills Workshop. Also, it was also being offered by the TQIP from the World Bank as a part of the TQIP program. It was called as SELP. And a similar same program we did in US in Harvard and Yale. And you know, it was incredible. All the three top universities, Yale, Harvard, and Stanford, they did this research on all the students who took up the Art of Living program, and we taught the Sudarshan Kriya. And they figured out the concentration levels of the students increased drastically. Like the same students at the same time could focus more. Their confidence levels about handling life drastically improved. For me, it was a very powerful change in my life. I am also an engineer, so I did my engineering in Mumbai. I completed it in 2005. Yeah, and I will say, emotionally blackmailed to come for the Art of Living program. I never wanted to do Art of Living because I thought it is for the people who are doing nothing. मैं तो बहुत कुछ कर रहा हूँ. I'm college captain for cricket, for basketball, I'm modeling. I don't, ये जरूरत नहीं है. ये तो ऐसी होती है बातें. Spirituality जब 80-90 years के होंगे तब करेंगे. अभी जरूरत नहीं है. I'm 22, 23. But one friend of mine emotionally pushed me for this. And there were three major things which I could instantly feel after. Instantly, I'm not saying took time. I completed the program 6 days. First thing was my anger. Because while I was in my college, my anger was a big challenge. I mean, I could not handle my anger. So, and that used to somehow reflect with my parents, with my friends. Choti choti baaton pe ladai ho jana, gussa ho jana. Yeah, and it really, really, I used to think that why am I getting angry? But I could not figure out a reason. So I practiced meditation and my anger has like vanished. It has been now 14 years. 2006, I did my program, and I can count on my fingers the times I've got angry. The second thing, which was a big deal for me, was I remember in my third semester engineering, we had a subject called as communication skills. And we had to present a presentation in front of the class, a 10-minute presentation. And you will not believe, I finished my part of presentation. Me and my friend were supposed to give it. I finished my part of 5 minutes in 30 seconds. Because I got so nervous. I was like, why am I standing in front of these people? Yeah. I started sweating. I started looking here and there. I got so nervous and I left the stage. 2 years back, I was invited by the Parliament of Massachusetts in US to address them. So the same person who could not even talk in front of the class, it was not that the confidence was not there. Outside class, lot of confidence. वो सारी गड़बड़ करनी है, लड़ाइयाँ करनी है, चीटिंग, नॉटीनेस करनी है, उसमें सारी कॉन्फिडेंस है. बट जो वो प्रेजेंटेशन देनी है, कुछ बात वहां पे गड़बड़ हो जाता था. So second thing for me was the confidence. And one thing which really helped me overall was my relationship with my parents. Because as a student in college, generally the relationship with the parents are little tough, especially in our country. Because हमारी country के साथ एक बड़ा interesting challenge हो रहा है. What is happening? The challenge in our country is happening is what? There is a certain principles and value system which the parents want the youngsters to learn, which has come from long tradition. But as young people, we are so exposed to this Western philosophy. तो क्या हो जाता है? Conflict हो जाता है कि वो traditional value system को follow करें कि जो ये Western concepts हैं. And this creates a lot of issues between the students and the parents and the kids and the teenagers. So for me, it was a big way because I could also understand from their perspective. मैं कॉलेज में हूँ, ठीक है, मतलब आपका भी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू अगर मैं समझ सकता हूँ तो दैट वाज अ बिग डील फॉर मी. एंड ऑल्सो इट हेल्प मी विद माई टीचर रिलेशनशिप. व्हेन आई वाज इन कॉलेज, just before 7 semesters, my grades shot up. Like I used to be a person who used to get around 50%. Or suddenly breathing, meditation kiya, last semester ke grades became 75%. I applied for my Maharashtra CET entrance and I scored 97 percentile. Because one thing happened, I could handle my mind. I could bring my mind to a time where it is resting, it is relaxed. Because जब तक वो शांत नहीं रहेगा, तब तक वो डायनेमिक नहीं हो सकता है. Yes or no? So couple of things if I want to get this entire thing. So we started with the mind, the challenges for us to not be productive. Mind, the challenge is going to past and future. We can bring it to the present with the help of the breath. And when breath and meditation together we put in, we can increase our energy. And once your energy levels are high, you can do more, productivity increases, efficiency increases. Yeah, you feel less tired. Yeah, and that all the doubts for the good things vanish. You start taking good decisions. Yeah. So I am from my side, I will say, if I have to put meditation in one sentence or one line, I always put it like this. See, let's say from one city point of the end of the city to other end of the city, in wherever cities you live in. Some are from Jammu, some are from Maharashtra, some are from Tamil Nadu. Let's say from extreme to ends. Okay. In 5 p.m. peak traffic, let's say it takes 2 hours to travel from one end of the city to another end of the city. Will it take the same time at midnight at 1 a.m. also? 12 a.m., 1 a.m.? Yes or no? It will only take 2 hours only to complete the same distance? No. The time will become half maybe or even less. Why? What happened? The distance is the same, but the traffic reduced. Yes or no? Because of the traffic reduction, you could speed more, cover the distance in less time. Same is the thing with our mind. We want to complete things, but in between come these traffics of thoughts, situations, people, and if you can know how to remove this traffic of your mind, I will tell you, this is the best thing for productivity. You can declog that unnecessary things which are clogging your mind. Yes or no? So thank you so much, all of you, for being here, for listening to me. And I hope you enjoyed. We can take 5-7 minutes of questions. If you have any questions, we can take some questions and then we can all say bye-bye to each other. So if you have any questions, you can go ahead and ask me questions if you have. Otherwise, I'm more than happy.
I think if you ask me, sir, I believe it should just go on, because I am so relaxed. And sometimes, in this FDP, as an organizer, I got so frustrated all 4 days, just managing with the speakers. At least now it was a kind of refresher session for me. I really loved it, sir.
So, thank you so much, Ankit ji.
Yeah. So I think I would request the participants, if they have anything, they can type in the chat box. Acha, there are questions coming in.
Fantastic.
So
I have even put my email address. It is avinash.tikku@artofliving.org. So if you have any questions, you want to connect me for your workshops in your college institutes, you can connect with me. So what should one focus while meditating? Uh, Nothing. You don't have to focus anywhere. See, you have to understand the basic principle. See, when you are saying focus, means mind is at work. Yes or no? Focus is an activity where you need the mind to do something. But meditation, what we do, we give the mind the time to rest. Yeah. Are you understanding? So meditation will allow the mind to rest. So whatever is happening, let it happen. Thoughts are coming, let they come. If they're not coming, very good. After that, once you have completed the meditation, then it will be easy for you to focus more. Then the concentration will happen. So this is a guided meditation, what we did. If you want to learn, we have a very, very powerful meditation called as Sudarshan Kriya Yoga, which you can learn online, and a 4-day program, 2 hours every day. And then you will have a technique which you can practice every single day, and your focus will really increase. So if you're meditating on your own, do nothing. Just focus on your breath at least. How can you define success, Avinashji? Is it same for all or customized? For me, I think one of the for me personally, I is success means how effortlessly and how more can I smile. Do you understand? This is for me. I mean, I can have everything, but I don't have smile on my face. I'm not happy. What is the point of all those things? Yeah. So smiling more, I think, is a sign of a successful person. Thank you so much, Hari Krishna ji.
there is one, we missed one question. It was by Darshan K.
If we get okay, if we get past thoughts repeatedly, then how can we avoid it or deal it? Okay. So number one thing, check your diet. Your diet is also responsible for a lot of thoughts. It is said, "Jaisa ann vaisa man." Yeah. So one thing, check on the diet. Second, do a lot of physical activity. See, when the physical activity is less, the thoughts will come in the mind. So start physical activity, check your diet, and third, meditate. Will really, really help you to cut this pattern of your thoughts and learn Sudarshan Kriya. Dear sir, nowadays students are busy on 3 screens, TV, mobile, and laptop. How to manage this? Well, you cannot manage this. You can just reduce this. See, again, we have to see how can we utilize it better, because even this screen wouldn't have happened. We wouldn't have interacted, right? Yeah, it has helped us. But again, I will say, keep a timer. There are now apps which tell you that how much screen time you have used. Yeah. So check the screen time, especially before you go back to sleep. At least 45 minutes before you sleep, or 30 minutes, keep yourself in far away from you. These are the things which we can do. But आजकल क्या करें, क्लासेस इस पे चल रही हैं तो बोल नहीं सकते है कि नहीं? And if you have to use screen so that you are learning some new skills in life. Yeah. Sir, my son is worried of his exams. How to calm him down? Well, it's very tough for the parents to calm the kids down. If you tell them to calm down, they say, "आप क्यों बोल रहे हो? काम हो, अपने आप काम हो जाऊंगा." Yeah. I will suggest, we have on the Art of Living channel, we have a YouTube channel, Art of Living. There are a lot of meditations, 10 minutes, 7 minutes, 8 minutes. Put them on that. You can 10 minutes, he can meditate. It'll be easy. Yeah. And if he can learn our program, we have a tailor-made program for the youngsters. We really, really give them techniques which help them to focus more on studies. So depression and pressure, which one is most dangerous for our mind? Both. Yeah. Very, 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 very dangerous. But again, I will say, see, you have to understand, see, for example, you start your day. Sometimes, see, the negativity doesn't have you don't have a way to throw it out. For example, I start my day, I'm very happy, everything is good at home, but suddenly go out, my car gets an accident. You're like, oh, doesn't matter, I'll manage. You go to office, the boss shouts at you. Yeah, you are coming back again. One of your friend calls and says, "यार तू मेरे से बात नहीं कर रहा." And by the time you come back home, you are like, what has happened to my day? तो क्या होता है, नेगेटिविटी आती तो है फ्री में, बट हम उसको छोड़ते नहीं, we don't throw it out. So when you meditate, what are you doing? All that garbage which you have accumulated in a day, you are putting it out. So if it is coming, you know how to, you should also know how to throw it out. Like every day you go to the restroom to cleanse your body, and you sleep to give rest to the body. Similar manner for the mind, you need to meditate to give it rest and to cleanse. Yeah. So both are dangerous, but you can also manage it. No worries.
So, I think there is just one question. Sir, happiness question is emotional or physical?
It is overall everything. See, if you're physically not well, can you be happy? No. Stuff. Yeah. Emotionally also not happening, you will not even feel physically good. So both have to be managed, physical and mental. Mental health is important, physical health is important. I will give little bit more to the mental health, because it is said, see, let's put an example of a hardware. We all have a laptop. If the hardware gets corrupted, can be still brought in, but if the software gets corrupted, the hardware has no use. So similar manner, if the mind is really, really firm, strong, relaxed, calm, it can even manage the physical level. So both are important. And the last question, how to get consistency daily? By being consistent. So I'll tell you the secret. Secret to be consistent is take short-term goals and achieve them. See, all of us, we learned how to brush our teeth because parents used to say, आज ही करना है, कल देखेंगे. हमने हर दिन एक दिन बोल के बच्चों को ब्रश करवाया है. We have made them learn one step at a time. So similar manner, if you have want to bring consistency in anything, whether work, whether anything, take a small task, achieve it, and then again repeat that same next day. Yeah. And definitely meditation and the pranayam and breathing really helps us. So yes, so thanks a lot. Anyone has any questions or you want to connect to me personally, I'm on Facebook as Avinash Tikku. My name is name is Tikku, and this is my email address. You can connect me for future programs. If you want to introduce art learning in your colleges for any sessions like this, I'll be more than happy to connect. But thank you so much, Ankit, and thank you all of you, all the 103 participants. I'm glad that you were helping me to participate with your answers. Lots and lots of good wishes, and keep smiling more.
So,
thank you so much.
my heartfelt thanks to you, sir. Of course, sir, because of your, despite of your busy schedule, you have still taken out time to grace this FDP by sharing your, knowledge. That was, some unconventional thing. Okay, and of course, sir, once again, thank you, and we will wait for your other similar kind of talks in near future at IIT Jammu, and we will take your support in organizing similar kind of lectures, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir. So now this is for the participants.